How to make potato chips at home. I am giving you tutorial about potato chips business process. Wait, I'm giving. First, you need this type of device. It's a steel cutter. You can buy it from Alibaba or others e-commerce site. Now I am starting my potato chips making process. Follow my working process. I never give you any audio for this potato making process. You just follow me. I'm starting now. First I have to wash my hand, then just follow me, then you will be able to make huge amount of potato chips and you can sell it to the market. Okay, let's go for start. Okay guys, it was my original and natural video. My working speed was true. I never speed up my video. It was my real video, so you can make a huge amount of potato chips with these types of device. You can make this type of device at home also. For more video, please stay with us. Thank you very much to us.